Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a what I got for Christmas video for you. So I have to say that this year, like every other year, I really was spoiled. I received so many gifts and I love all of them. I really can't be grateful enough for all the family and friends that I have, just because everyone always thinks about me. And even when you look at the gifts that I got, you can really see that like these people know me and really want to offer me something that I'm gonna like and appreciate and use. So I'm really grateful for that. I feel very lucky, and I don't do this video like just to brag about everything that I got, but it's just to share with you how happy I am, how lucky I am to have this amazing family and friends and boyfriend that think about me. Before you leave, don't forget to thumbs up this video and also subscribe to my channel. This way you won't miss the other videos that I'm gonna upload. And also I'll leave you all the links so that you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. They're all in the info box down below. Let's get started with the video. So the first thing that comes in my hands is a little Christmas sock with the mini pattern all over it. Of course I love Disney, and when it came actually filled with all kinds of little candies, like little Bounties, little Twix, little Mars, so I really appreciated it. And of course I've already eaten them all up. And with the Christmas sock she gave me this little shopper, which is also from Primark, that says "Dear Santa, I can explain," with a little Mickey Mouse on it. I love shoppers like this just because they come so in handy, so I really appreciated this gift. Another friend of mine got me another Primark gift. She gave me this little candle that's called Madagascan Vanilla, and it's with vanilla and patchouli, and I really love the smell of this one. I'm someone who really loves scented candles, but it's very difficult to find a scent that I actually really like. The only ones that I like are the vanilla ones from IKEA. So I have to say that for someone to find a candle that I like, it means that she knows me that well. And the other thing that she got me with the candle was this very useful power bank. Mine just broke, and I also love the color of it, this beautiful golden color. I can't wait to put it in my bag just because it's always useful to have one when you're out and about. You never know when you run out of battery on your phone, so thanks very much for this. I really appreciated it. My aunt actually got me a gift from MAC, and I already love the bag that it came in. It's so beautiful. She got me something that I've been wanting forever, which is a lipstick. Of course, you already know what I think about MAC lipsticks. In my opinion, they're very special, and they're a very special gift to give to someone. And she gave me the Retro Matte lipstick in the color Ruby Woo, which is one of the best sellers from MAC. Plus, she gave me a special edition one, so instead of having the classic black packaging, it has the red cap on it and a little red line that goes across the packaging, so it's very useful as well. This way you put it in your collection, but you already know which one to grab if you want this one. So thanks very much, I really appreciated it. Then I have some gifts, yes, plural, from my mom. I have to say that I'm always like covered in gifts all year round by my mom. She's so kind and lovely. She always wants to make sure that I feel special and that I feel like I'm still with her, even though we're so far away because I live in Paris and she lives in Italy. So honestly, I really like receiving these gifts from her, just because this way every time that I use something, it feels like she is here with me, you know, because she thought about me and bought me that particular gift. So what she got me was this set from Clarins, and this is a skincare set, and as you can see on the box you have a little pochette and you have two products. You have a daily energizer cream and a daily energizer cleansing gel. Can't wait to try this out. Honestly, I've been paying so much more attention to my skincare and to hydrating my skin and using the right products. Then she also got me two gifts from NYX. The first one is this set right here. I bet you already know it. This one is the Ready Prep Go set. So the products that you have on the inside are the pore filler that I've already tried and love, the Born to Glow that I also have, the eyebrow gel, which I'm very excited to try out because I've never had any brow gel in my life, the HD Photogenic Studio eye base that I'm also very excited to try out, and then we have an HD finishing powder. The only difference with the one that I love is the fact that I have the loose version, while this one is a compact, so we'll see if it works just as well. Then we have the first base, which is one of my favorite primers ever, and you also have the matte finish setting spray, of course, that gives you a matte finish. So I'm very curious to try this out, just because I used to be so much into matte makeup, and I really want to try it out and see if it brings me back all the vibes from the last like 2 or 3 years. Then she also got me this, which is a set of liquid sweat, always by NYX. The colors that you have on the inside are Subversive Socialite, which is this very dark plum purple, Sway, which is this lilac color, and also Respect to Pink, which is this like pastel neon pink. I know that these are not everyday everyday colors. It's just that I love this formula so much, and I already have my basics for everyday like reds and nude colors. Then she actually surprised me with it just because I didn't know that she knew that I wanted this lipstick. This is a Kat Von D studded lipstick and it's in the shade Hexagram. Just let me show you the packaging just because it's amazing. Have to say, I fell in love with the product just for the packaging. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm already so happy to own it. This is why, I mean, look at it. It looks like it's covered in studs. It's beautiful. And also on the inside, the packaging feels so luxurious and like high-end, high quality. This is the color. It's a classic red with a blue undertone. You have an indent on the actual lipstick with the Kat Von D logo on it. Again, it just feels so luxurious and special. Then my mom also got me something from MAC. She got me two eyeshadows. The first one is a simple one that's called Copperin, which is a color that I really wanted in my collection. It's this bronzy coppery reddy shade. The second one is one from the collection Snowball, which again has just this beautiful packaging outside and inside, because on the outside is this golden packaging with sort of a snowflakes texture all over it, while on the inside it has a snowflake indented on the pen, which is beautiful. This color is the color Starry Nights, which is this sort of dark grayish color with other reflection to it. So I'm very happy to have two new eyeshadows from MAC. Then she also wanted to make me another gift, and she told me that I could choose whatever I wanted from the website Kat Von D. This was the first order that I placed on the website, also because it's an American website, so it gets a little bit expensive with shipping and stuff. But I really wanted to have a palette that is not available in Europe yet. Let's see if you guys guess what I chose. I chose the Metal Matte palette, which is this beautiful palette that has 5 matte shadows and 5 metal shadows, of course. And I love the packaging. First of all, I know that she designs all of the packagings overline, and this one is especially beautiful just because it has this metal finish, and it also has this writing that you can read it both ways. I can't remember the name of this style of writing, and this is the actual palette itself. I have to say that I'm very happy with the size of it, just because on the website I couldn't really like realize how big it was. And these are the colors on the inside, and of course they just scream my name just because they're very warm toned. You have some golds, you have some purples and some pinks. I can't wait to play with this. And also, just because it was on sale on the website, I grabbed one of her studded lipsticks. This one is in the color Bachelorette, so it's very bizarre because in camera it's picking up a little bit more reddish than it actually is. In real life it's this beautiful strawberry pinkish red. I can't wait to try this on, and honestly I really hope that they'll be like high quality, just like MAC lipsticks. So this was almost everything that my mom got me, because as I told you, she always picks up beautiful gifts for me like all year round. But let's move on to my boyfriend's gifts for this year. I have to say that I was pretty astonished with everything that he chose, just because normally I talk a lot about my passions and things that I like. It's just that me and him, we don't have like these same interests as far as hobbies, let's say. So when I see the presents that he got me, I really think that it really made an effort to listen to me like all of the time, to take notes of everything that I was mentioning here and there, and he really got me everything that I wanted and more, and I can't be enough grateful for how amazing he was with me this year, just because he got me too many things. I was really super spoiled by everyone this year. So the first thing that he got me arrived in this big bag right here. Can you guess what it is? He got me the Soft Matte Lip Cream Vault, the number 2 that was out this year, and I love it so much. You have 36 shades in here. I can't wait to play with them all, just because since it's the formula that I love the most out of all the liquid lipsticks that I tried, I really love having all of these mini sizes. As I always say, vaults like this are a perfect gift for someone who's really into makeup, or for someone who's starting out as a makeup artist, just because you have so much choice in here. I can't wait to play with this, to swatch every single shade and to let you guys know what are my new favorite ones. Then he got me a Disney pins, which for those of you who don't know, there is a thing about pin trading in all the Disneyland all over the world. I'll make a video about it just because it's something that I like a lot. This is just a pin with Mickey's hat, which is decorated in the style of Dia de los Muertos, which was in honor of the new Disney movie that got out, Coco. Since it came out, it just got sold out like 2 months ago, so I really don't know how he did. He must have bought it like 2 months ago and he just kept it for me to give it to me for Christmas, and I just thought it was such a special gift. Then he also arrived with this huge Sephora bag, and I just couldn't wait to know which one of the products he had chosen to give to me. With no matter what palette or eyeshadow or like bronzer I would have been happiest girl on earth. But when I opened it, I had the most beautiful surprise ever, because he actually got me the Heavy Metals palette by Decay, which was like my most wanted palette. I don't even know how he knew that I wanted this, just because my wishlist video got out actually afterwards. I already put my Sephora bag under the Christmas tree, so I really don't know how he did, but it chose so well because it chose the palette that I really wanted so much. I love it when I get makeup that not only is beautiful and like very high quality, but also the packaging is stunning, because look at this packaging. This is just beautiful and amazing. It's this lilac-y holographic packaging, and also the other thing that's beautiful about this palette is that you have to slide it out of the packaging. So these are all the colors. I can't wait to play with them to see how they work, how they blend, and which colors I like the most. I really can't wait to touch this palette. I was just waiting to make this video for you guys so that I could swatch it, and it's just beautiful. I can't wait to play with this as well. I'm so happy right now. Then the last thing that he got me is surprised me so much with this. I really love makeup, you know, but there's something that I love even more than makeup, which is of course photography, and he got me the Instax Mini 9, and I was so happy once I opened this, just because I really wanted it so bad, like for the past 4 or 5 years since it got out, but I was very indecisive on the color, and you know, Polaroids are very expensive in comparison to normal pics, but he got me the camera for Christmas, so now I can actually take Polaroids and I'm the happiest person on earth. So here it is. My little baby, she's beautiful, she's so cute. He got me this cute coral pink color that I absolutely love. I've already tried this out like 2 days ago, and I have to say that I fell in love with how the pictures turn out. In my opinion, there's something so special about Polaroids and instant pictures. It's just a memory that you have that is linked to the picture that you can't recreate, you can't ever like take it again, and it's just so special to me. So I really have no words to describe how happy I am to own this right now. Then he actually got me one other thing like 10 days after Christmas, but I really wanted to include it in this video just because I love it so much and it's so beautiful that I can't wait to show it to you guys. And I'm talking about the Kat Von D Saint and Sinner palette, and already the box is beautiful, but just look at the packaging of the actual palette. I mean, it looks like a window of a cathedral. It's just beautiful. It's perfection in a palette. I wouldn't know how to design something more beautiful than this. And the color selection is so stunning. You have such unique shades paired with some more neutral everyday shades, and honestly, he got it for me on sale for 35 euros instead of 60. It was really worth it. And also before Christmas, he got me like a little I'm waiting for Christmas gift, which was this lipstick Always by MAC, and he got me the color Heroin, which is this one right here. I know that it's very unusual and not an everyday color, but again, I just wanted to experiment, and this was one of the colors that most impressed me the first time that I walked in a MAC store, so I really wanted to have it. Then I have to be honest, I bought some presents for myself, yes, by myself, for myself, just because, you know, I wanted to spoil myself a little bit. I got this pochette from this Noble collection by MAC. This one is very cute. It's this little bag right here, covered up in rose gold sequins with this little rose gold disco ball. And on the inside you have these 3 colors right here. One is a glitter that's called Pink. The second one is a pigment that's called Whisper Pink. And the third one is also a pigment that is called Copper Sparkle. As I said in multiple videos before, I really love MAC pigments. I think they are very good quality, the best ones that I've ever tried. And I really wanted to get something more for my collection just because I know that I use them. Then I also got 2 more pigments, these 2 right here, which are the mini travel size one, and I got the color Platinum, which is this white silverish color that looks like liquid platinum, and this one right here, which is a classic from MAC, that's called 10, which is this coppery rose gold shade. So this was everything that I got myself for Christmas. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Again, I really enjoyed receiving every single one of these presents just because I felt so lucky to receive presents and to be so spoiled. As usual, if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. This way you won't miss the other videos that I'm gonna upload. Also, don't forget that you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All the links are gonna be in the info box down below. So again, I really hope that you spend some lovely Christmas holidays with your family, and I guess I'll see you next time. Bye bye!